Time to fight some Glorg.
Weapons here! I got weapons!
Okay.
Ratchet dreamed of riding that grind rail, which he will do as soon as he finds some grind boots.
As soon as I find over here, what is this?
Ratchet would be able to use this refueling station as soon as he collected the jetpack.
Yeah. Fuck you and your jetpack.
Nefarious has built quite the operation here.
You're not kidding. Let's check this place out, see what we can find. He's down.
He's hurt!
Need some nanotech.
Ratchet, perhaps the turret could help blast through that door.
Door? That's the only fucking door there is.
Great. Reinforced door. Why does everything have to be made of dense alloy?
I will try not to be offended by that.
Sorry, Clay.
Hello, stinky aliens!
I see a visitor. The lady from a galactic moron. I hope you like my facility.
Fucking die.
Because you're never ever leaving!
Bitch. What's over here? Another turret, yay! Another reinforced door, yay! Okay. Fucking great!
Shooting my doors! Those are custom made, you know?
Fuck you. Oh shit!
You are not fit to fight Mr. You are a disease.
Mr. Zerkon. Fucking die already. God.
Robots are down. Come on, we better keep moving.
Yay, card. Open it. Give me a duplicate. Woo! Duplicate!
Way to go! A complete set!
Yeah. Robot dogs. Or puppies, rather. Level up! Oh, that was perfect! Perfect timing on that. Ow! up, bitch. No! How'd I fucking die? God bless it!
Mr. Zircon, Mr. Zircon. Do you know how to be killed? Allow Mr. Zircon to give you your first lesson. Hello, stinky aliens.
Hello, stinky alien. Give me all the bolts. All the nuts and bolts. Fuck you, bitch!
He's down.
Ow! What the fuck?
They're near my secret project. Will one of you morons stop them?
Incoming. Enemies detected. Be careful. More warlords are approaching.
Oh fuck.
You remember Mr. Zircon? Mr. Zircon.
Are those grind boots?
A tripad lock.
Oh
In
yeah.
order to bypass it, the duo would have to quickly activate all 3 pressure pads.
Ow.
Got enough to buy a pixelizer.
Cool! Grind boots!
And that
Yeah.
completely unlikely location is where Ratchet found a shiny new pair of grind boots. With his grind boots strapped on, Ratchet leapt onto the rail.
Woo! Woo! Baby! I get
Still on
to
the
find
hunt
the
for the
jetpack.
jetpack, Ratchet used his newfound grind boots to explore the planet further.
Boom! That's how it's done.
I want that. I want to wait for that. Maybe I should.
I got all kinds of stuff to make. Yes.
For the
I
first
just
time,
might make my
Ratchet
quota
had
this
more
week.
weapons than he knew what to do with.
Weapons here. I got weapons.
Oh shit! There's a lot of weapons.
Thought you had seen the last of Mr. Zircon.
Ratchet stylishly leapt onto the rail next to him.
Yeah, boy. This game
Detecting
looks
Versa
amazing.
mines ahead.
So pretty. Oh, Ratchet and Clank should have been. Over here. Fucking jetpack.
Hey, Lombax, come here. Don't worry, I'm a friend.
Are
I
you?
know who you are. You're the Lombax and the Warbat from the news.
Oh, and you must be the faceless minion helping Drac terrorize the galaxy.
That's just my day job. My real passion is in amateur neuroscience. I've been collecting brains from telepathopuses as a hobby for about a year now.
You collect brains as a hobby? I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you're single.
Studying brains is a noble pursuit. If I can tap into the psychic powers of these telepathopuses, I'll be able to raise an army. Then we'll see who thinks they can steal my food out of the company fridge. I mean, I can contribute to the good of our blog kind. Say, if you can collect a few telepathopus brains for me, I'll give you this jetpack.
Is it really gonna be that easy? Okay, maybe it's not gonna be that easy.
Check out my imp fully loaded.
Ugh, this is disgusting.
You got one. Nice work.
Blech, disgusting.
Am I about to level up soon? I am. What the fuck is that?
Just a few more.
This game is so fucking fun. I love it. I love it. Another one. What the fuck is that? Is that a telepathopus?
You did it. Come on back. The jetpack is yours.
Jetpack is fine. Yeah, bitch. Give me that jetpack.
A deal's a deal. Here you go. I tell you what. I actually have a top secret Drek Industries infobot. If you bring me a few more brains, I might be willing to part with it.
You really have a thing for brains, don't you?
Yes, I do.
And with that jetpack, Ratchet became the aerial scourge of 1,000 worlds. Or at least his commute got easier. Ratchet
guess
used
so.
the jetpack to fly high above hostile territory.
Getting more brains. What the fuck? Is that a fucking boss? That's a boss! God damn it!
Zircon is here to kill.
free from that motherfucker. What? Oh fuck.
I've done a lot of difficult things in my life, but by far the most difficult has been trying to say the word telepathopus 10 times fast. I believe it is impossible. Telepathopus, 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 telepathopus. Let's see.
What the fuck?
Hey, looks like you found one of my telepathopus traps. You'll have to free it before you can collect its brain.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Predator launcher, level up, yeah. Ow! Ow! Just a few more. Okay, I need 3 more. I need fucking 10 more. My math is way the fuck off. Holy crap. Okay, do I go up here? I think I do.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Why do you hide, sneaky aliens? Mr. Zircon only wishes for to kill you. What are the 2 little dead
This is dead little alien.
I shall let you live, little alien. Sorry.
And I'm in jetpack so you can refill my jetpack. I only have 13 minutes. I need 7 more left. It'll make me. Oh, I'm sure it'll take my weed. Take me down there on my way. Gold bolt. Ow, ow, ow.
Enemy down.
God bless it. Really?
Hey, I just realized, if I'm a scientist and I spend all my time studying brains, I should introduce myself at parties as a brain scientist. That sounds much more impressive than a assistant Blarg outpost consultant.
Seriously? You didn't think of that sooner?
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Flee! Flee, Mr. Zircon! You know how to be killed. Allow Mr. Zircon to give you your first lesson.
Ugh. Where's that last pad?
Mr. Zircon is bored. You look like you could do with a good killing.
Oh fuck! No, 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 no.
Need some nanotech.
Yeah, dude. God damn. Fucking die, bitch. No! Fuck! What the fuck? What? Are you fucking kidding me?
I would be out there collecting brains myself, but my doctor told me I have a bad case of cow finger. I have no idea what that means, but he said to stand in one place as much as possible and it might heal itself. If I could just get people to stop trying to tip me over. Maybe I should get a second opinion.
What? What the fuck? At least I don't have to worry about these bad guys over here. Let me go over here, try this out. No, it's not working. Damn it.
No one else in the galaxy is
There we go.
telepathopus brains. If my experiments succeed, I'll be leading the charge into a new frontier. Or my experiments will fail and this will all be pointless. Either way, at least I'm keeping busy.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Sweet, sweet
Fucking
brains.
finally.
Come to Papa.
Fucking finally. Okay. Oh. Come on, man. No. Quit squirting out fucking sand sharks. Please. Please just stop squirting out sand sharks. They love sand sharks. Woo!
The Telepathopus army is as good as mine. Here's your info bot. Remember, you didn't get it from me.
Good evening, fellow Blarg. Chairman Trek here with the latest update on our quest for a new home. Over the next few days, you may notice an increase in Blarg activity around the galaxy. While this may alert the authorities to our plan, this move is critical to securing safe passage for our harvesters. Case in point, the Starwatch defense cannon on planet Battaalia. This surface-to-space ion cannon has been protecting the galaxy from invasions ever since we were first driven underground. With this out of commission, our glorious plan can continue. Preparations are already underway, so fear not, stay the course, etc., yada yada yada. Once we eliminate Starwatch and its surrounding forces, we'll enter the final stages of my plan.
We've got to stop Drek from destroying that Starwatch defense cannon.
My records show that the cannon is on the planet Battaalia.
I just hope we're not too late.
If you're looking for a little extra work, I'll pay a nice reward for collecting any remaining brains in this area. If you find them all, I'll even throw in a special bonus.
The fuck is that?